A very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Sakshi Kesarwani and I welcome you all in this video of Raman Law classes. I am a student of Raman Law classes and I have scored 191.1 marks in my LLB entrance exam. I have cleared my LLB entrance exam in first attempt and in first cutoff. So in this video, I would be explaining everything about the counseling, how to do it and from where to do it. So as we all know कि counseling कल रात से 12 बजे से start हो गई है and I would be telling you the entire process that what all documents are needed to be uploaded and from where we have to go and how we have to what all are the steps that we have to follow. Like many a times we ask our friends कि यार counseling की link भेज दो. So I would like to request you all to follow just 2 more extra steps. ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा, but it would just ensure that you are following the correct steps that are required for the counseling. So the first thing, you have to log in to the official website of University of Allahabad. आप official website पे जाइए and on the top you'll find the floating notifications that are there. So from those notifications you have to select PG Admission 2023. You have to click on that and when you click on that you will find the short links, like the direct links of many things. They include the cutoff as well as counseling and everything. So you have to click on link for online counseling. So after clicking on the link for counseling, a new screen will open in front of you. From there you have to select the PG counseling. It is written in a very big bold paragraph, so you can see PG counseling. Select that and a new screen will again open in front of you that will consist of all the instructions for the students. After you go through all the instructions, there will be different like tabs available for registration, for uploading the documents or for payment. The first step that you have to do is your registration. So click on that registration. So once you click on registration, then you have to register yourself using your roll number and your date of birth. आप जैसे ही अपना रोल नंबर डालेंगे यू विल फाइंड कि वहाँ पे जो 2 ऑप्शंस है सब्जेक्ट का एंड कोर्स का, यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली सी कि वहाँ पे LLB ऑनर्स लिख के आ गया है. लाइक नो अदर ऑप्शन वुड बी शोन ओवर देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द डेटा that is already present in the official website. So you have to select that LLB honors and you have to click on save and continue. So your registration would be completed. So once you register yourself, then you have to follow few more steps. The first step is to upload your mobile number. आपको फिर से वहाँ पे अपना मोबाइल नंबर कंफर्म करना होगा, आपको फिर से वहाँ पे डालना होगा. And another step is to change your password. See, मैंने आई एम इन वेरियस ग्रुप्स ऑन व्हाट्सएप जिसमें देर आर मैनी लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स हु हैव गिवन द PGAT एग्जामिनेशन एंड दे आर अप्लाइंग फॉर द काउंसलिंग एंड आई हैव सीन दैट दे आर नॉट चेंजिंग द पासवर्ड. So just pay very close attention to this, that you do have to change the password because that is one of the essential steps that you have to follow during the counseling. So after you change the password, you can every time go back to that status bar that is there and you can check that what all steps you have completed. जैसे जैसे you will keep on completing the steps तो उसके आगे green tick आता जाएगा and all the steps that are still not completed उसके सामने there would be a red cross. So you can just keep yourself updated. So after doing these steps, then you have to upload your documents. The most important documents which is like compulsory for everyone to upload. That is 10th certificate and 10th mark sheet, 11th certificate and 11th mark sheet, the mark sheet of your graduation, anti-ragging proforma that you will find over there on the site. When you are going to register yourself, when you open the counseling portal, over there you find the proforma, you can get it printed and your parents have to fill this. तो आपको अपने मम्मी या फिर पापा से वो फिल करके साइन करवाना होगा. It is the undertaking that my child is not going to participate in any kind of ragging that would be taking place. So this you have to fill and Aadhaar is also compulsory. And other than this, like whatever is, if you have uploaded any caste criteria or category, then you have to upload that. If you have uploaded for EWS, you have to upload that. And if you have applied for NCC quota, like I have applied for NCC quota, so I get extra weightage for that. So you have to upload your NCC certificate in that case. I have applied for the weightage of NCC as well. So if you have applied for NCC, then you have to upload the document, your NCC certificate as well. एंड वन थिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो भी आपकी फ़ोटोज़ होंगी, ऑल योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, वो जेपीजी या फिर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में होना चाहिए एंड इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड द साइज़ ऑफ मोर देन 1 MB। तो वो 1 MB से कम साइज़ का ही होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट वोंट गेट अपलोडेड। जस्ट दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू अपलोड। और एक बार जब आप ये सब अपलोड कर लें, यू कैन, एज आई सेड दैट यू हैव टू ऑलवेज गो बैक टू योर स्टेटस बार एंड यू हैव टू चेक दैट व्हाट ऑल यू हैव अपलोडेड। जब आप इतने डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड कर देंगे, यू विल फाइंड दैट राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप टिल द अपलोडिंग ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपका पूरा ग्रीन टिक होके आ जाएगा एंड राइट फ्रॉम द वेरिफिकेशन इट वुड बी ऑल रेड क्रॉस। तो जैसे ही आपका वेरिफिकेशन होके आ जाता है, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर पेइंग द फीस। एंड एज आई टोल्ड कि काउंसलिंग रात में 12 बजे से स्टार्ट हो गई थी, तो मैंने रात में ही अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड कर दिए थे एंड स्टिल दोज आर नॉट वेरीफाइड। तो वेरिफिकेशन ऑनवर्ड्स अभी मेरा टिक नहीं आया है एंड वंस द वेरिफिकेशन इज डन आई वुड बी एलिजिबल टू पे द फीस एंड माई सीट वुड बी लॉक्ड ओवर देयर। स्टिल माई सीट इज़ नॉट लॉक्ड, बट जब पेमेंट हो जाएगा वो मेरी सीट वुड बी कन्फर्म्ड एंड इट वुड बी लॉक्ड। And except that, I have tried for paying the fees without the verification, but I was not able to, because verification completion is important for that step. But I can tell you how to follow the steps of payment of fees also. You have to go back to the payment option, and once you open that, just keep in attention that you have to follow this after the verification is completed. But I'm just telling you that how you could approach this thing. So you open that pay fees that is there, the tab that is given there, and you open that. You will find two options, like it was for you have to select for PG. It is for UG and PG. You have to select the option for PG, and when you open that, you will see two more options, that is graduation from AU and graduation from some other university. Like I have done my graduation from AU only, AU main campus, so I selected that. एंड अगर आपने वहाँ से अपना ग्रेजुएशन नहीं किया है, सो यू जस्ट सिंपली सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम अदर यूनिवर्सिटी, जो कि मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन AU से ही किया था, फ्रॉम द मेन कैंपस इटसेल्फ। तो मैंने वो वाला ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट किया था, फ्रॉम AU, डन फ्रॉम AU। तो जब मैंने वो सेलेक्ट किया, आई गॉट 3 मोर। आई सेलेक्टेड दैट ऑप्शन ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम AU। फिर वहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन आएगा अपना इनरोलमेंट नंबर, क्योंकि अगर आप वहाँ के स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी हैं, सो यू हैव द इनरोलमेंट नंबर ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी. So you have to upload your enrollment number and you have to upload your roll number and your date of birth, and then you can pay your fees. But this process would only be done after your verification is done. So these are the updates till now. जब एक बार आपका verification हो जाएगा, it would be very simple. You just have to pay the fees and your seat would be locked and your process of your counseling and admission would be completed. So if there are any more doubts, you can just drop it down in the comment section and we will approach you. We will try to solve all the doubts. Thank you for joining the Raman Law classes and stay connected for any further update and details. Thank you and have a good day.